Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to make something healthy for us. This is what's going to be jumping in my pot: Chickpeas Stir Fry. These are the ingredients: cornstarch, water, mushrooms, low sodium soy sauce, sugar, rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, minced garlic, minced ginger, onions and green onions, red and green bell peppers. I have them diced up. And of course, the chickpeas. I have the chickpeas soaking in cold water overnight. I'm going to put them on and let them cook for about 2 hours or until they are nice and tender. Then we'll come back and make the chickpeas stir fry. Now that the chickpeas have cooked, this is what we're going to do next. We're going to take some soy sauce and add it to the chickpeas. Then we're going to stir this up, and we're going to let this marinate for about 15 minutes. We're going to set it to the side. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, while the chickpeas is marinating in the soy sauce, we're going to make the sauce. Cornstarch. Gonna add the cornstarch to this bowl. We're going to add the red pepper flakes, the ginger, the garlic, the soy sauce, and some sugar, and the sugar. Okay, and now we're going to add the rice vinegar to this mixture. Okay. And we're going to add some water to this. Okay. And then we mix this up like that. And we set this to the side. I have a wok here with 2 tablespoons of oil, and I have the heat on medium-high. Now, the first thing we're going to do is saute the red peppers and green peppers along with the onions. We're going to saute this up for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the onions become translucent. And by the way, I forgot to mention the oil I'm using is avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you choose to use, but avocado oil is more healthier for you. And now we're going to have the sliced mushrooms jumping to the wok. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now, the next thing to jump into the wok is the chickpeas. We let this saute up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now we're going to put the sauce in. We're going to let this cook here for about 5 to 7 minutes. Here you have it, a quick and healthy, simple dish, chickpea stir fry. Enjoy. Let's try it and see how it came out. I can taste the fresh ginger, the garlic, all the seasonings. Very tasty. You should try it. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.